So Jamie, not the result in the end, but the performance is credit to the side, especially the young nature. What was your thoughts on the game?
Yeah, I totally agree. I think our performance was everything that I've asked of them. I think there's more that we can do. As I said to them in there, I think we can pass the ball a bit better. I know they can. We see it in training week in, week out, since certainly over the last 2 or 3 weeks. The intensity's there, the tempo's there, we're playing at the level that I want us to play at. And I think you can see the improvement week on week, what we're trying to do as a coaching team. I think the next thing that we need now is just a result to go our way. I think because the actual performances are pretty good.
And the way it's the last few weeks especially, you have been the factor in the team, Kane Cook, Finn Savage, Brad Knight all coming back into the setup and performing well week in, week out. Is that showing a credit to the academy as well as the way they are playing?
100%, yeah. I mean, I knew before I came in how well run this academy is and has been over the years, long term, and it's coming to fruition. I mean, you've got lads that are coming onto the pitch who have been here 8, 9, 10 years, and they're performing at a level that is Welsh Prem standard. And I think the only thing lacking from us is experience, and you can see that. But in terms of individuals coming onto the pitch at the age that they are, you couldn't ask for any more from them, and I think they've been brilliant, all of them.
And to take on a side that is second in the league, chasing TNS on unbeaten run at the minute, it just shows the calibre and how much we've come on in the last few weeks, especially that we are taking it to the top teams as well.
Yeah, they, like you say, they're a team that will probably finish second, and we've gone toe to toe with them and competed with them. We've been done by a goalkeeping error, which happens. We all make mistakes. I've got no issues with that. I know what Dutz has done for me so far. He's kept us in games, and that happens. It stands out when you're a goalkeeper. And a penalty, which I've just seen now. And as far as I was aware, the handball rule is anything below the t-shirt line, and it looks to me like it's his shoulder stroke right at the top of his arm. So I'm not even sure it was a penalty. I couldn't see from where I was, but just watching back on the TV, that's what it looks like. And from my point of view, it wasn't even a corner in the first place that led to it. So yeah, it's disappointing in the way that we've lost, because there've been goals that are not through any fault of our own. We've not been torn apart. We've not been ripped open. All their chances were built on from pressure and crosses into the box, and I think we've stood up to them pretty well. As part of the game, we've defended well. Their strikers haven't done their jobs, and our defenders have done theirs. And then when we've had the opportunity, we've put one away. We probably could have had another one in the first half, and I think we probably could have had a penalty ourselves. The way Adam was getting wrestled in the box. So yeah, it's just performance-wise, I couldn't be any happier. Result-wise, disappointed.
And moving on, it is next week. It's a tough task down towards Bridgend and Penabont.
Yeah.
Thought it was 4-0 here, and hopefully something we can improve on it as shown in the results. Do you think that will be?
I think if we play with the intensity, with the tempo, and how we have been playing over the last few weeks, we're a match for anyone. As long as we compete, we've got an opportunity, and that's everything that I want us to do going into games. And I think if we do that on Sunday against Penabont, then we've got a chance. There's a reason teams and players are in this league. They're not perfect. So can we expose their weaknesses and use our strengths? We've got a young side who are full of energy, who have a lot of pace, and they've got the will and the want to be there and do a job for the team, and you saw that tonight. So if we can take that there, then we've certainly got a chance.